Hello, Funmaticians! Who's ready for an exciting time of Funmatics? I'm sure you're ready to learn something new. In this lesson, we will be learning about square roots. The square root of a given number is the number that gets multiplied to itself to give a particular number. Example, the square root of 9 is 3, as 3 is multiplied by 3 to give 9. Square root is represented with this symbol, like this chair I'm sitting on. The square root of a number is simply that number raised to the power half, 1 over 2. This means that we can say the square root of 16 is the same as 16 raised to the power of half, 16 raised to the power 1 over 2. Placing the symbol alone signifies square root. But for emphasis, the digit 2 can be written in front of the symbol like this, to signify that 1 is to find the second root or square root. Oh, a quick one. When the digit 3, 4, or 5 is written in front of the symbol, it means that you are to find the third, fourth, or fifth roots respectively. The square roots of numbers are easy to find, especially for numbers that are perfect squares. Do you remember what a perfect square is from our previous video? A perfect square is a whole number that you get when you square a number. Let's see some examples, shall we? 4 is a perfect square as 2 times 2 is 4. 9 is a perfect square as 3 times 3 is 9. It's easy! Let's see all the perfect squares from 1 to 20. It is very important to identify perfect squares using the knowledge of the multiplication tables. The numbers on the right are the perfect squares, and those on the left are the square roots, which are squared. And when these are multiplied twice, we get the perfect squares. So, to find square roots of a perfect square like 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on, you just think of the number that will be multiplied by itself to give the perfect square. Let's take a few examples. What is the square root of these numbers? 25, 49, and 64. It's easy. Just think of the number that will be multiplied by itself to give the perfect square. Remember to use your knowledge of the multiplication tables. Okay, let's find the square roots of these numbers. 5 multiplied by 5 gives 25. Therefore, the square root of 25 is 5. 7 multiplied by 7 gives 49. Therefore, the square root of 49 is 7. 8 multiplied by 8 gives 64. Therefore, the square root of 64 is 8. You see, it's as easy as A, B, C. Well, that's not all. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll be showing you other methods that you can use to find the square roots of numbers. Till then, stay smart!